We drove to the site and indeed it was very horrific. And right now what is happening is we've resolved that different families who have lost loved ones are beginning to take their bodies. We have information of 3 foreigners, and that one will take a different process because we need to engage other stakeholders and establish which countries they come from.
We had about 32. We're yet to establish the exact number again, but those in the hospital here, we have now 12 remaining, and they are stable. Others are in facilities like Lacho, we have MC Care, and we have also independent.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.